how to take a Google Doc and turn it into a PDF so you can submit the PDF into the digital portfolio for the AP board. So let's find our templates. So hopefully you have a class work um, um, tab. And then under the AP exam, there is written templates for creating an explore task. So you're going to open up each one of these for your create and explore. Let's open up the create task. It's going to be blank with these open boxes where you're going to put your answers. And so this is the prompt. This is where you put your answer. This is the next prompt. This is where you put your answer. This is the next prompt. This is where you put the code segment for the algorithms that you're going to be talking about. You need a main algorithm and at least two sub-algorithms. And this is your written response box. And then this is the last prompt in here. This is the code segment that you're going to paste in just of the functions, which is going to be representing your abstractions. And then this is where you write your response. When you are done, it's quite simple. You go File, Download, PDF. And notice the name of this particular Google Doc is Create Task Written Response. The name of the PDF is going to be the same exact name. What you do not want is you do not want your name, your actual name, to be a part of the file. So something generic like Create Task Written Responses, that is going to be fine. And so this, usually when you say download and make a PDF, it goes into your downloads folder. So let's find that right here. So I'm going to go into my directory here. I'm going to click on downloads, and then there it is right there. This is the PDF file that you're going to be submitting to the AP board within the digital portfolio link. All right, enjoy.